Welcome back. And like I said, instead of having a letter today, we have this fabulous Mrs. Ryan, this fabulous number 10. There it is. And we had some gummy worms, some very yummy looking gummy worms. Shall we count them together? Are you ready? Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 worms here. Okay, so that means if we're talking about the number 10, I think it would be a good day to practice writing the number 10. And I don't think you are going to have any problems doing this because all these shapes we have done before. So I know you're going to have a super good luck at making the number 10. Oh, here are our worms again. Let's count them just in case. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So a special job for you today is when you go to do this page, color in those 10 worms, but see if you can color them different colors, just like our 10 had different colors here. Can you color in your 10 worms with different colors? Oh, I know you can. And if we're going to write the number 10, where do we start our numbers? From the top. That's right. From the top, from the top, from the top, 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 from the top, from the top, from the top, 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 from the top, from the top, from the top, top, top. We start our numbers from the top. But the special part about the number 10 is there's two parts to it. It isn't just one letter or one number. There's actually two numbers that make one number. I know it's crazy. But if you put your number 1 and your number 0 together, it makes the number 10. So you actually have to draw two single numbers to make one whole 10. So there's your number 1, and we know it's just one straight line down. And then we have the 0, one little 0 that starts at the top and goes wee all the way around. And that together makes the number 10. So you start at the smiley, 1 down, and then your 0. And now all of these numbers you've already made. So you're just combining the two together to make 10. So have at your number 10s. And when you're done tracing them on the bottom, I bet there might be some room on the back side of this page to practice your name as well as making your own number 10s. Good luck. You won't need luck because you're really, really good at this. Now, before you go off and make your number 10s, I have a story. Not only are we going to do some counting up to the number 10, but we also get to do a little bit of rhyming. So we'll be listening, we'll use our ears, we'll be listening for things that sound the same. They're not the same, but they're sounding alike. They sound the same. They're rhyming. And we're going to get to count up to the number 10. So we have 10 cats have hats. I already hear it in the title. Cats have hats. There you go. Cats, hats. It rhymes. And this is a counting book by Jean Marzolo. Who is Jean Marzolo? Oh, you're right again. The author. And we know that author writes the story. Author writes the story. Author writes the story. That's why she came first. Now I'm opening up my book to a special page. Here we go. What is this special page called? The title page. That's right. Good job. And we see Jean Marzolo, our author, but it also says David McPhail. Who is David McPhail? The illustrator. Good job. And we know that illustrators illustrate, illustrators illustrate, illustrators illustrate, which means he made the pictures for 10 cats have hats. I see a lot of hats coming out of that chest, basket. How many bears? That's right, One. One bear has a chair, but I have a hat. Huh. Did you hear something that sounded the same? What is this? Bear, and he's sitting in a chair. You got it. Bear, chair. It rhymes. Bear, chair. Nice. Good work. And how many bears were there? One. That's right. One. Oh, now I have ducks. How many ducks do you see? One, two. One, two. Two. Two ducks have trucks, but I have a hat. Oh, did you hear it? Did you hear it? What are these? Ducks. And they're driving what? Trucks. You got it. Good rhyming. We have ducks and trucks. Ducks and trucks. And how many ducks were there? Two. You're right. One, two. Okay. Trees. Look at those trees. And each tree has bees, a bee's nest in it. So let's count how many trees. You ready? One, two, three. 3 trees. Wow. And I see bees nests in there. How many bees nests are there? 1, 2, 3. There we go. Good job. 3 trees have bees, but I have a hat. Did you hear the rhyme? Trees and bees. That's right. Trees, bees. Trees, bees. Good job. And how many trees were there? 1, 2, 3. And how many sets of bees nests were there? 1, 2, 3. So trees and bees in threes. Oh, that's a lot of rhyming. There are stores. How many stores are right here? 1, 2, 3, 4. We've got a candy store, a barber shop, the hardware store, and a shoe store. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 stores have doors, but I have a hat. Oh, did you hear the rhyme? What are these? Stores, and each of them have doors. You got it. Stores, doors, stores, doors. And how many stores? 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many doors? 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job. Oh my goodness, do you see some pigs? I see some pigs. Do you see pigs? How many pigs do you think there are? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But take a look at these pigs. Do you see something? Do you notice something? They're wearing something. Do you know what they're wearing? Wigs. That's right. So how many pigs were there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pigs wearing wigs. But I have a hat. Wait a minute. Did you hear the rhyme? Pigs wearing wigs. That's right. Pigs, wigs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pigs wearing wigs. Oh my goodness. Oh, I see some bugs. Do you see some bugs? How many bugs do we have? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 bugs. But these bugs are on something. Do you see what the bugs are on? The bugs are on rugs. So we have 6 bugs have rugs. But I have a hat. Wait a minute. Did you hear it? Bugs have rugs. That's right. There's our rhyme. Bugs and rugs. Good job. And how many bugs? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many rugs? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And bugs and rugs was the rhyme. Good job. Boy, you guys are good at this. Oh, I see some goats. Do you see the goats? I wonder how many goats there are. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 goats, but do you notice something about them? You're right. They are wearing coats. So we have goats have coats. Did you hear it? Did you hear the rhyme? Goats, coats. Goats, coats. Good job. But I have a hat. She's always got a hat, doesn't she? Now, how many goats were there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And so, how many coats were there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Goats, coats, rhyme, and they each had 7. Now, here are some cars, but these are special cars. These are cars that will give somebody a ride. So you call them up on the phone and say, hey, I really need a ride somewhere, but I don't have a car or I can't drive. So it's called a cab. So we have some cabs, but let's count how many cabs we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 cabs, but take a look. Who is the cab driver? Crabs! So, how many crabs are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 crabs. 8 crabs have cabs, but I have a hat. Did you hear that? Did you hear the rhyme? Crabs and cabs. That's right. Cabs, crabs, and cabs. Good job. We will have to finish this in a moment.